Excuse me. Do you have any coffee-colored sunglass lenses we can borrow? No? Alright. It's cool. It's all fun and games till someone paints your motorcycle neon green. I've really been getting into the hardcore skate scene. I'm getting tattoos and got an old car now and trying to learn a lot of the new moves, but yet I'm trying to keep hold of my roots. Wallet when you're out skating, so that's why I've been skating with got a new chain wallet. It's hard to get used to, but it's good to have. You can't be losing your wallet.
Father's a lonely man and I got it blue. He's doing so that he never lets anyone know. It's a part of his habitat. His father was that way too. Mother can't understand why he got so good. But he's still alive. He's still got his mind. That's all he needs to get by. So wonder why. So wonder why. So wonder why. You're gonna be just like them. So wonder why. So wonder why. So wonder why. You're gonna be just like them. A boy I knew was too low to buy his own shoes. He goes to fell over and what was the news? He's got a gun now. He's got nothing to lose. Did I love her too long? It might have to do. But I was gone home. But he's not alone. And people care. He knows they do. They see the picture on the evening news.
Did you see that? Oh. Though, huh? Oh God, I could have eaten shit right there, huh?
I recognize the pieces, but I don't know where they fit. I know exactly just enough to analyze it. I know all there is to know about nothing at all. I'm always up nowhere to go. I think my interest I can't resolve. It's my fault. I'm living what I know.
Interrupt this song to bring you a special news bullshit. Everything you know is wrong. Therefore, I think I am.
I know how it is.